Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gusto for onboarding employees, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Gusto, navigate to their official website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to begin creating your account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input a strong password for your new Gusto account. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. After filling in these details, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be asked to provide your business information. Enter your company's name and the industry in which you operate. Include your business address along with your phone number. Gusto may also ask for your employer identification number, or EIN. If you don't have an EIN, you can choose the option to apply for one during the setup. Once your business information is complete, proceed to the next step. You will now need to set up your account for payroll. Fill in the required information regarding your employees. This will typically include their names, addresses, and social security numbers. Make sure to enter the correct pay rates and any relevant exemptions. Next, you will select a payroll schedule that fits your needs. Choose from options such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payments. After reviewing your employee details, click on Continue. You will now move on to the employee onboarding process. Invite your employees to join Gusto by entering their email addresses. Gusto will send them an invitation to complete their own onboarding. Your employees will need to fill out important forms, including tax documents. Keep an eye on their progress to ensure all necessary information is submitted. Once all employees are on board, you can complete the final setup steps. Review your business settings and ensure everything is accurate. Finally, confirm your payroll details before running your first payroll. Congratulations, your Gusto account is now set up for onboarding employees. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.